Hi, my name is Richard Phlegming. I'm a filmmaker, and I am about to make history. And cut. Awesome, guys. Fantastic take. I think we got it in one. I really do. Really, I mean, chills. Great job. Great job. But guys, honestly, the chemistry between you two is just beautiful. I think it's a really great thing we've stumbled upon here. This could be something really incredible. I can't wait. I really can't. Cut. Come on, guys. We're better than this. I know we're better than this. This is a very intense scene. I'm not getting any passion. I'm not getting any emotion. Okay, we're gonna take it again. Come on. Cut. Hey guys, do we need to rehearse the fight choreography again? If we do, that's okay. I just need you guys to let me know. Because this is not what we rehearsed. Okay? Let's take it again. Today was rough. I will not lie. But it's the end of the week. Everyone's itching for the weekend. Everyone's tired. I'm looking forward to getting a fresh start on Monday. So I was poring over the footage we have so far, and I'm starting to have some doubts. I'm trying to push them out of my mind, but you know how that goes. I'm sure it'll work out. They aren't fully edited together. Just not everything's where I'd like it to be at this stage. So, Marcus, I don't care if you think the line is stupid, okay? You're working on my dime, so you're going to say what I wrote on the damn paper. I can get a million other actors to read that for me. So if you want to keep your job, I'd suggest you read it. Cut! Bianca, hey. Right? He's dead. Your former lover is dead. You just found his drowned body washed up on the beach, alright? Can I get some emotion here? Anything? Okay? Let's do it again. Cut! Bianca, your resume said you could cry on cue. Can you cry on cue or not? Alright? Because it would be great if you could right now. Oh! Now you're crying. Great. We'll take it again. Keep it up. Action. Bianca, I swear to God, if you don't get it together, you're done. Figure it out! You know what? Forget it. That's a wrap for the day. I'm done. I'm done. Cut. Do you call that a monologue? Do you call that a monologue? I will rip you open. Do it again. Get up. You know, it feels like you guys are the only ones who are still taking this seriously. So I thank you for that, and hopefully we can make it through this. It just hurts, you know? It just hurts. When you want something so bad and no one's with you. I wanted this to be special. I wanted it to be something important. But I can't even have that. Everyone's just phoning it in. I've sunk everything into this. Why can't they? I've earned this. I've earned a film triumph. I've worked so hard. I've earned an award. One, at least. But if this is what it takes, I don't want it. Not like this. Not like this. Now, I'm sure you've all heard the rumors by this point, and they're true. Effective immediately, this production is over. It's done. We're finished. I'm sorry. I just can't work in an unprofessional environment with unprofessional people anymore. So I'd rather cut it off here than finish the film and embarrass me and embarrass you. Don't worry. You're also going to get paid. I know that's the only reason you're here anyways. I wish you all the best, but we're done. It's over. You know, it is a shame that no one had the same artistic vision that I did. But I think it's for the best. You know, everyone has to have a failure. It makes the success all the sweeter. Don't worry. You haven't seen the last of Richard Phlegming. I'll be back. I can promise you that much.